right, welcome back to Scholar Online YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. This is a channel that is all about learning. We're here to teach you very important life skills, and today we're making a video about how to make money online blogging. Blogging is one of those, I think, underserved markets, especially in Africa and South Africa. Not enough people are blogging. Alright, so in this video I'm going to give you the lowdown. I'm going to give you all the important things that you need to know, how to get started and all the tips, and discuss how much money you can make blogging. So stay tuned and let's start learning. Now let's start first of all by discussing what is blogging. Blogging is basically sharing your story. It's storytelling. It's going to an audience and sharing a little bit about a topic that you're knowledgeable about or a topic that you're passionate about. An example is a travel blogger, for example. You have, and those are the ones that became popular and popularized blogging, is when you travel around and record everything that you're experiencing and tell your audience about what you're experiencing, and people read about it and learn more about the topic that you're sharing. Another good example is food blogging, or rating restaurants. I mean, you could do basically anything about blogging. And in my specific case, I blog about technology. I talk about building websites. I talk about building e-commerce websites. I talk about empowering people and building your own websites that make money. And so this is also a form of blogging, what I'm doing. So I'm going to give you a little bit more information about how to do this in a written format. So the blogging that I'm talking about in this specific sense is a blogging website, like a website on WordPress. Okay, how much money can you expect to make blogging? Right, so to answer that, I'm going to take you to one of my blogs. Okay, so have a look at, I'm going to link this this link below. This is a blog that I recently produced on how to make money online blogging, and everything I'm explaining to you is there in this blog, but it is a little bit more detailed. So when you have time, go read it. And I've linked 2 articles in here that talk more about how much money you can make blogging, but I'm going to give you a summary. You can make a lot of money. You can take blogging from a hobby and a side hustle that gives you side income to even being the main thing if you really become consistent and do it more often. So when you start blogging, in the first year of blogging and starting from scratch with absolutely nothing there, I would suggest you produce maybe a blog every other day minimum. You can do more. In fact, more is better. Studies show that a blog a day actually produces even better results. The easiest way to make money online, and I discuss this in the blog as well, is using AdSense. Okay, so the way making money online with blogging goes is you create a blog and you talk about an interesting topic that people want to read about. You start sharing that blog with people, whether on social media or paid advertising. I don't know how you're going to grow that audience, but the key is that you grow your audience around your blogging. Once you've done that, over time you start to get regular visitors to your blog, right? And the more blog visitors you get, that is directly proportional to the amount of money you can make. So initially when you're starting out, let's say I think the minimum for Google Ads is that you need to be getting consistently 1,000 visitors per month, right? But you need to actually be much more than that to make a significant amount of money. So let's say you're making about 1,000 to 10,000 visitors a month. You're looking at about per year, maybe just below $10,000 US. So it's not a lot of money making money out of blogging. If you're only relying on Google advertising. But that is the easiest way to get into, and the one that you can get into from about 1 to 10,000 visitors a month. So we're talking about thousands of visitors a month. For you to even start making money, you need to be making visitors, thousands of visitors in a month coming to your blog. So you need to grow your blog. You need to have social media. You need to promote your blog. You need to write about interesting topics. You need to create an email list. There is a lot of those kind of details that I discuss in the article, and I want to focus this video on actually creating the blog. So if you want those details, go and read the article and learn more about how you know what those items are and how much money you can make online blogging. All right. Now, monetizing your blog. I want to touch a little bit on that. Monetizing your blog is ways in which you start to make money with your blog. I've already discussed Google advertising. That's the easiest one and the fastest one to get into. The second one, and the one most commonly used by a lot of bloggers, is what we call affiliate marketing. And that is also not so hard to get into depending on your niche. What is affiliate marketing? In short, affiliate marketing is partnering. It's partnering with other companies that are selling specific goods and services that are within the niche of the blog that you're blogging about. So for example, take a travel blogger who's traveling around Africa and discussing about all the foods and the restaurants they're visiting, and they've got thousands and thousands of people that visit their website on a monthly basis. Then you start partnering with like resorts and hotels and travel places, and you start talking to your audience about this place, and you say, you know what, I was in Kenya the other day, and I love this hotel, guys, check it out. I mean, really, the service was really amazing. And you talk about the things that you experienced there, and you talk about it in your blog, and you link people to that website, and people come and they watch your blog and they click on that and they go to the website that you're talking about, and that hotel that you partnered with pays you for everybody that you send over to them. And obviously, when it comes to affiliate marketing, you have to have tested the products before. You need to know that it is good products, that you really want to recommend those type of products to people. So instead of just telling them about a random hotel, rather tell them about a hotel that pays you to do that. So that's the second way of making money blogging. And depending on which niche you're in, you can find affiliate marketing is just about any niche that you choose to blog about, and that is going to make you probably the majority of money blogging, especially once you start getting thousands and thousands of visitors on your website on a monthly basis. The last and probably most lucrative one is when companies approach you directly and say, hey Bertha, we've been watching your blog, you're amazing, can you please do a piece on us and review our hotel, for example. So you're travel blogging, and then you're going to write a whole article focused on a specific hotel that you're going to talk about, and that is a feature. All right, so it's not just an affiliate link, it's a feature. You're going to write about them. Maybe you're going to even backlink back to their website, and a lot of companies pay a lot for backlinking because that also helps with the SEO ranking. So that's where you can really bring in the money, because you can charge thousands just for you to do that and link their website on your blog. And when you become popular and you become big, companies are going to be the ones coming to you and approaching you and saying, hey, can you please write a feature on us? Can you please guest post on your blog? Can we feature with you? And I'm not saying that you must always charge people for this. I think personally, if I come across a really good service that I want to tell my audience about, I will do that without having to be paid for it, because that is why you started your blog. So you shouldn't start a blog because you think you're going to make lots of money. You should start a blog because you are going to be teaching people really good stuff and help them learn and help them sort of grow, or whatever it is in that niche that you're working in. All right, so the last part is what we're here for, right? So today, I know I had a bit of a long introduction, but I wanted to discuss really the details of blogging and tell you about my own blog. So this is the blog that we're going to build. We're going to build this in the next video that we are releasing on a Saturday. So subscribe to our channel so that you get notified when we release this blog. But we're going to take you step by step in building this blogging website. What we're going to be calling it is Sunshine Music. We're going to be blogging about music. These are some of the blog posts that we're going to create. And this is what the website looks like. I'm going to show you step by step how to create this website on WordPress. So we're going to start with a blank WordPress site. We're going to install a theme, we're going to get some templates, and we're going to build some pages. So this is the home page, all right, and this is the About Me page that comes with the website, giving people more information about your blog. And then we have all the blogs that we are creating, and you can use this type of template for any type of blog. We used music as an example, but you can blog about anything using the exact type of template. And this template that we're going to show you is going to be free, so you'll have no cost involved in creating this website except for your hosting. You need to host a WordPress website somewhere. Once you've hosted your website, you can follow along with this tutorial for free. All the tools that we'll be using are free. We're also going to have an added bonus extra where we create this logo from scratch. This logo will be created online with a free tool that we are going to show you how to do that. So this is complete in about 30 minutes or 45 minutes of this tutorial. When we release it on Saturday, you are going to have your own blogging website. So stay tuned, subscribe, and build your own blog in minutes.